to add a Start Here link to your news widget in CourseSites, you'll begin on the home page. So we're already on the home page and we're going to scroll down to a section called My Announcements. The My Announcements function as the news in CourseSites. So we'll go ahead and click on More Announcements, and then we will create an announcement using the Create Announcement button. In here, you'll need to enter a subject, so I will call this Getting Started, and then we will put some information in the text field. So we will say, please view the Getting Started link prior to the first class. Scroll down, and I'm going to make this not date restricted. And then most importantly, we need to link this to the Getting Started information that we have posted in the content. To do so, we will click on Browse, and then we can select a course link. In this case, I want it to be the Start Here link. And that is all, so we will click Submit, and we will see that we have our Getting Started announcement. If we click on the course link, it will take us to the Start Here in our content section. And that concludes this tutorial on how to post Getting Started information to the news widget.